Hi everybody, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. It is day 18 of my 28-day mini-series challenge. Now this is an inspired piece by Kintsugi, I hope I've said that right, which is the Japanese art of repairing pottery. I know this is not pottery, it's the inspiration, but it's about transformation. It's not just about putting the pieces of one's broken life back together. It's about a total reinvention of self in which our shattered pieces are alchemized into a beautiful, thriving masterpiece. Isn't that beautiful? And part of my art therapy is just exploring different things that's out there and giving it a little go and understanding if there's any effects that I can bring into other pieces. But it's about quietening the mind and really just getting inspiration for future projects in all of my artwork. So for the people that have been on me with this journey, thank you so much. For the people who've just seen this video, it's not about being the best artist out there on YouTube. I am doing this for myself to grow, but also to be inspired for future pieces like I've just said. So Sharon, shut up. Stop digressing. Now we are going to be working on this piece, and it's just going to be a play on 3 different colours. I wanted it to start with darker colour on the outside and graduate in. I've left the first one in just about real time of each colour, and then I speed it up because you don't really need to see me painting all of this in. It's just to so you can understand what are my thoughts, why am I doing this, and how I did it. So you'll see this part in real time. I don't get the graduating of colour quite right because I was thinking, don't want it to be a precious gem? Do I want it to be a geode? Do I want it to be, I don't know. So I started knowing I just wanted gradating colour. So the first time you see it's dark and then I apply my light and come in. But then I to and fro between having some dark ones in the middle. But in the end, I think when I did the pink stage, it inspired the rest, which is I wanted the inside chip or piece to be lighter and graduate out. And the pen that I used, it didn't go onto the canvas very well. I'd probably been best with some gold ink and painted it on, and that would have done fine. So I mapped it out to start with so that I could understand where I wanted my pieces to be or my break pieces to be. And then when I added my colour, you can see I'm a messy worker. I don't stay inside the line. I come around with my gold pen and redo it all again. I did envisage putting some bubbles on this, but I decided that I just liked the simplicity of this piece. Now, the reason I wanted to explore this is I'm thinking of taking this into maybe some of my resin work, maybe some of my other art, and I just wanted to understand some of the different shapes and how it could look or feel if I was to put it into coasters or if I was to add it into one of my vases. So this is just me exploring. Anyway, I am about to head out for a meal with my Neil. It's my last day of my annual leave. We're going to go early. We're going to have a nice meal, get it out the way, and then relax for the rest of the day, which will give me plenty of time for arting. So it's now, is it 12:15? This video will go live at 7:30, so I've made a bit of time back. And for the rest of the day, I should make more time back. But I've got some exciting projects that I'll be sharing with you that I'm working on behind the scenes in March, which will include resin in a few different formats, but also some other project work, Jesmonite, and not obviously brushwork. So I hope you will come back and have a look at those. And part of this 28-day challenge has inspired some of the work that you will see. Anyway, I hope wherever you are in the world you are safe, especially in the UK. We've got gusty winds at the minute. My Neil's been the hero of the street. He's been outside and rescued somebody's trampoline. So all's good in the world, and I hope you are safe and well, and I will see you on the next video. And between now and then, what I will do is ask you to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this work. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. And if you've got any recommendations of something you'd like to see in the last 10 days of this challenge, let me know. I have had a request from the wonderful little Lulu for me to attempt to do a puffin bird because they're very unique. So I've had a little look and I've found some inspiration, and that piece will be joining you shortly. So, well, I've yet to create it, but I think that's one I'm going to work on this evening. So you might see this little bird tomorrow or in the next couple of days, depending on what I'm feeling like after I've had my lovely meal that I come back with. Well, no, after I've digested the lovely meal that I've just had with Neil. Anyway, let me know any requests, let me know any colour schemes. Other than that, peace out, and I will talk to you in the next video. Until then, I'll put a little bit of relaxing music for the last couple of minutes. I've kept it quite short because there's no point in repeating the process over and over, just to save you a little bit of time. I know time is very precious. Anyway, bye bye.